The plan really follows the same kind of a structure. It's going to have 6 main sections. The first section will be, who are we? What are we trying to do? What's our shared purpose? Who is on our team? Why they're on our team? What we are looking for is team partners who are both the strategic multipliers, who are complementary because they bring real additional pieces that we need to the table, and who are culturally aligned and have the same values as we do. The next section is, what are we going to do? What's the problem we're trying to solve? What is the solution? What is the market that we're dealing for? How do we construct what we're doing for that market? And importantly, the market is, who are we selling to? Who is our customer of our venture going to be? The next stage of the plan goes through, what are we doing first? Implementation. What are the deliverables? We have a structured way of defining managed innovation service products, so that it's easy for us to contract with each other. And that then leads to the business case. How much money do we need to do this? What are we all bringing in? What are in-kind contributions? What are our cash contributions? What's the net that we need to go out and ask an additional investor to bring to the table in order to do the first part of it? And lastly, then a definition of risks.